The next nearshore sailboat race is scheduled for Sunday, October 11, 2020. It's the final race of this year's Commodore's Cup Offshore Sailboat Racing Series. The Commodore's Cup is sponsored by the Halifax River Yacht Club. Norm Church is this year's race committee chairman. This race is on the southern portion of the nearshore course, which was established this year to focus attention on the waterside of the Daytona Beach area. Starting at noon from the Ponce Inlet Sea Buoy, participants will pass inside a marker placed 1,000 feet east of racing's north turn, round a buoy near Sunglow Pier and return to the north turn marker before heading back to the sea buoy. For more information, search for Daytona Sailboat Racing on Facebook, YouTube and Google.